Hey guys, what's going on? Check this out. This is a beautiful, awesome, economical car. Economical, however you want to pronounce it. This, my friends, is a 2020 Nissan Sentra SV 2.0 liter, 4-door, remote start, automatic doors, automatic trunk if you hold it, and panic. You want to run away fast, because I'm panicking. This one specifically has some nice window tint, probably 20% all the way around. It's got the rain guards right here. A few small imperfections, nothing major to squawk about. Tires are pretty much, let me see if I can get a good angle on here. Fronts are about 40, 55, I know, I'm saying probably 65, 70. Backs, probably a good 80%, 85% tread on all four corners. Like I was saying, it's an awesome car to drive as far as like a, getting from point A to point B. Mileage 71,902 maintained mile. Man, pollen's crazy. Miles dropped off at the local Nissan dealership down the road, inspected and all. If I can get this piece of paper open, I'll show you the slip. There we go. Nissan Pohanka Nissan Auto Center, right down the road. All the recalls have been done, and the beautiful part about this is they were like, you know what, sir, the car is on the borderline for brakes. You need brake pads probably next couple months, I would say. What did I do? Didn't hesitate. I put all brand new pads all the way around, not just front and rear, but all the way around. Don't be cheap on your brakes, guys. That's what stops you. With that said, all brand new brakes all the way around. So it runs and drives great. Everything's good on it. I'll go over a few small things. It's the SV model. Trunk buttons right here. This is a cool idea. This is a sticker, okay? But it says Sentra on it, and it's cool because if you put, a lot of people put stuff in and out of the trunk, scratch it all up. Awesome idea. They get it on Amazon. Really cool. All-weather floor mats, guys. The the spare tires right there. You get your factory Sentra floor mats. I'll show you in a second. The aftermarket ones, front and rear. Nice Rockford Fosgate 4-channel, whatever channel it is, amplifier. Sounds amazing. Rockford Fosgate X1069 speakers. JL Audio speakers on all four doors. So it's a really nice crisp sound. Excuse my mess in the back. That's my detailing supplies and the tire shine and whatnot. All weather floor mats there. The back seats are clean. All the door jambs are nice. It's got the lane assist warnings on the inside of the mirrors right here. So when somebody's passing by you and you're like, oh, can't get in that lane right now because somebody in that lane, it lets you know that. And you can adjust it all through the settings in this navigation infotainment. All weather floor mats up front right here. So it's got the nice stitching inside the seat with a nice little gray inlay. No sunroof. Door jambs are clean, like I was saying. All four tires and all four brakes are pretty much new. I'm sorry, tires are fairly new. The brakes are brand new. Here you go. You get a bass controller right here. Pop the hood while we're at it. Show you guys however you say that. Apical oil. All weather floor mats. I got my Bluetooth tied in, so I'm gonna do it quick. Ready? Start. Push button start. Backup camera. There you go. Backup camera works awesome. Shut this off before it kicks off my audio. Or my Bluetooth power windows and locks. There's the VIN number. And we will check it out under the power plant. And it is hot out here, let me tell you. The AC blows ice cold. There's the front camera right there, a rain sensor, whatever you call it, built in the windshield. Super clean engine bay. All the fluids are up to par and everything's at the great level. There's the wire for the amplifier right there. So that's it. New inspection, everything's clean. And what else was I gonna tell you? I forgot something else. I don't know. Anyways, well, here's a big storage compartment. I got my gum in there. GUM, gum. Carbon fiber, like a wannabe carbon fiber stuff right here. All the vents, dual climate control. And what else was I'm gonna say it when I stop the video. I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, now I remember. I don't know, it's just a really nice car. Oh, imperfections. Small little spot right there. You can barely see it right there. Little tiny rock chip right there. And two on the door right there. Small little, or a couple inches right there on some paint that was coming off. A little bit of clear coat action right there, but overall it's nice. A little blemish right on the back side, you can see it right there. But it runs and drives great. It really does. And for the price, it's going to be priced super aggressive. So if you guys want information, or if you want to come check it out, test drive it, call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. We're also on Facebook under Superior Wholesalers. Buy, sell, trade in Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you guys have a trade-in, we will definitely honor your trade. Give us a call, 540-898-3025. And this is Mark signing out with the 2020 Nissan Sentra SV. All right, hope you guys are doing great. Take care.